Have you ever wondered if we can make our lives not just longer but better? Now imagine being 40 but feeling like 30. Now imagine living longer without hospital, pain or chronic diseases. This isn't just a dream, it's the science of longevity. Did you know that the right lifestyle choices can add up to 15 years to your life expectancy? So today, let's dive into what longevity really means, why it matters, and scientific tests to assess your biological health, how you can enhance your lifespan, and obviously some actionable steps to make your life better from today onwards. फ्यूचर का बाद में सोचेंगे, आज से लाइफ इंप्रूव होनी चाहिए. Are you ready to reverse your age? Hi, I'm Rahul and welcome to Limitless, where we explore how you unlock the secrets to living longer and healthier lives. पर इससे पहले हम शुरू करें, आप ये सोच रहे होंगे कि why you should listen to me. मैं कोई डॉक्टर थोड़ी हूँ. मैं आपकी तरह ही एक नॉर्मल इंसान हूँ जो अपना हेल्थ स्पैन, लॉन्जिविटी और लाइफ इंप्रूव करना चाहता है, और इस प्रोसेस में मैं आप सबको सिंपल भाषा में ये सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर करना चाहता हूँ. शुरू से शुरू करते हैं. So what is longevity? Longevity isn't just about reaching 90 or 100, it's improving your health span. अब health span क्या होता है? Which is how long you stay healthy and free from diseases like diabetes, heart disease or joint pain. Imagine someone living to 90 but spending the last 20 years in hospital and bed and in pain. Do you want to live that life? I don't. Longevity is about living better, not just longer. It focuses on delaying aging, optimizing physical health and mental performance, and reducing the risk of having diseases. People in Okinawa, Japan, one of the world's longest living communities, stay active and healthy even into their 80s thanks to their diet rich in vegetables, fish, a strong community and active lifestyle. Alright, why should you care about longevity? Longevity के बारे में अभी से क्यों सोचने लग जाए? अभी तुम 30 या 40 साल के हो. Why does longevity even matter? Let's take a look at longevity versus lifespan. Lifespan मतलब कि how long you live. Longevity मतलब कि how well you live during those years. Tell me, would you want to spend your last 10-20 years with frequent hospital visits, health problems? Of course not, right? That's why longevity is about maximizing the quality of your life, not just the years. Imagine being 35 but feeling like 50 due to poor health. Now imagine being 50 but feeling like 30 because you actually invested in your health today. Living longer and healthier lets you make a more meaningful impact in your family, career and community. So start करते हैं things that you can start at home. You can make simple changes at home to improve your health and longevity. These steps aren't difficult but are very impactful. Number one would be nutrition. Focus on anti-inflammatory food like leafy greens, turmeric, berries, omega-3 rich fish. Replace processed foods, sugar and vegetable oils. Simple swaps like ghar ka ghee, olive oil instead of refined oils can slow aging down. Intermittent fasting reduces oxidative stress and inflammation. अब आते हैं ब्लू जोन डाइट्स पे. Follow a plant forward, nutrient dense approach similar to that in Okinawa. Daily movement. Exercise doesn't need to be hours in the gym. Just 7,000 steps a day can significantly reduce heart disease and mortality risk. Include strength training, HIIT for cardiovascular health. Sleep hygiene. Prioritize deep sleep by sticking to a consistent bedtime, limiting caffeine after noon, and reducing screen time at night. Blue light really interrupts with your sleep schedule, so avoid blue light at night. घर में लाइट जिम करनी हो तो वो भी कर दो, but टाइम पे सो. Mindfulness and stress management. Meditation, yoga can lower cortisol levels which accelerate aging. Cortisol is your stress hormone. Cortisol ज़्यादा है तो आपकी लाइफ वैसी खराब है और आपको एज भी फास्टर कर रहा है. Deep breathing exercises like box breathing can instantly calm your nervous system down, and I've added my favorite 10-minute meditation in the description below, so don't forget to check that out. अच्छा, अब बात करते हैं सबसे बड़े predictors क्या हैं longevity के. The biggest predictors of longevity according to science are: number one is low inflammation. Avoid processed foods and stress to control inflammation linked to heart disease and diabetes. VO2 max or cardiovascular fitness. A higher VO2 max indicates better heart health. VO2 max stands for volume oxygen maximum. Just 20 minutes of daily cardio आपके VO2 max को improve कर सकता है. Muscle mass and strength. Maintain muscle through home exercises like push-ups and body weight routine. If you can go work out in a gym, that's great. Social connections. ये सबसे overlooked चीज है because हम इतना साइंस के पीछे भागते हैं कि हम बेसिक चीजें भूल जाते हैं. Strong social bonds can improve both mental and physical health, extending your life and health span. How do you measure longevity? सबसे पहले करेंगे हम blood test से. Look for markers like CRP inflammation, फास्टिंग ग्लूकोज एंड कोलेस्ट्रॉल. एक सिंपल ब्लड टेस्ट में आपको ये सारे मार्कर्स मिल जाएंगे और आपको काइंड ऑफ आइडिया हो जाएगा कि वेयर डू यू स्टैंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ लॉन्जेविटी. नेक्स्ट इज फिटनेस टेस्ट. मेजरिंग योर VO2 max and strength levels are key to making sure your longevity is improving. VO2 max is volume oxygen maximum. which it can be improved with running, cycling, etc., and improving your strength, especially grip strength and knee extension strength. Regular gym workouts will help you achieve that. Mice experiment and scientific research. Science हमें काफी कुछ सिखाती है longevity के बारे में. So let's talk about one interesting experiment, which is mice caloric restriction. In mice caloric restriction study जो कि University of Wisconsin, Madison में की गई थी, researchers found that reducing calorie intake in rodents by up to 30% extended their lifespan and reduced age-related diseases. उनका मेन गोल था टू अंडरस्टैंड बायोलॉजिकल मैकेनिज्म्स बिहाइंड दिस इफेक्ट. और अगर हम ह्यूमंस की बात करें तो सिमिलरली इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग कैन मिमिक दीज बेनिफिट्स बाय रिड्यूसिंग ऑक्सीडेटिव स्ट्रेस and inflammation. So ये थी हमारी deep dive into longevity. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comments what topic you would like me to cover next. Remember, longevity सिर्फ एक goal नहीं है, एक mindset है. आप अभी अपनी life को limitless बना सकते हैं. So see you in the next video. Stay limitless, stay strong.